Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be looking at 10 skills that pay you forever. Yes, you heard that right. Like skills that you can learn that will allow you to remain relevant for a very long time. So if you're someone who has been looking for a skill to learn but you're confused and you don't know where to get started, just make sure to watch this video to the very end so that you can know the one that will fit you the most and then you go ahead with it. So you guys know that we have less than 100 days for 2025 to be over, and it's not still too late for you to do something for yourself. So you can just get started. And the best part is I'm going to share with you what these skills are, benefits of learning them, where to learn them, and how much you can potentially earn by learning these skills and utilizing them in your activities. So but before we go ahead, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years as a UX designer where I design apps and websites for clients. And on this channel I share my knowledge about remote jobs, work from home jobs, online businesses, and everything in between. So if it's something you're interested in, consider being part of our growing community by liking this video and subscribing so you can know where to get started. So that being said, the first skill we want to talk about is AI literacy. There are AI tools for virtually everything you want to do right now, and a lot of people are happy when they work with somebody who can automate their tasks and make their work more productive and faster. That way you're going to be saving them money. So I know some people say they don't want to learn about AI, some people say they don't feel comfortable using it, but to be honest, if you don't want to use it, there are a lot of people out there that are willing to use it, and it makes work more efficient, faster, and it will save you a lot of time and other resources. So for you to be good at being an AI literate and automating your task, you have to learn how to use AI tools. There are a lot of tools out there that has been developed to help you make your life easier. So the benefit of learning AI skill is that you have your jobs or tasks automated and you boost your productivity, and of course you can earn more money, and it will help you to cut expenses by allowing you to do a lot of tasks by yourself instead of outsourcing them. So to learn this skill, you can go to YouTube. There are a lot of free tutorials that people have made about AI tools, and of course there is Google AI course that you can take, and you can also make your own research on Google to find free AI courses that you can take to get yourself equipped with the knowledge you need to start using AI to automate your tasks. So on the average, freelancers make anywhere from $30 to $100 per hour as an AI consultant, and some people even open AI agencies that can help businesses use AI to automate their business. So you might want to check out this skill. So the next skill you might want to consider is adaptability and continuous learning. Now this may sound weird to you, but people that are making it are people that have the ability to upskill as fast as possible. Your ability to adapt in an environment is your superpower, because our society is dynamic and you have to key in its dynamism to be able to stay relevant. So if you have the ability to learn anything fast, you're going to be standing ahead of your peers who are still stuck in the old knowledge they have. So having this skill is going to help you in the long run to be able to fit in any environment at all. And those are the benefits of learning this skill. And you can learn this skill on platforms like Coursera, EDS, or you can read some blogs that talk about some industries so you can stay updated with the things that are happening in your industry. So that is how you can upskill and learn and adapt fast. So people that have this adaptability skill, they earn 20 to 40% more than their peers in the same field. That is because they keep upgrading themselves and they're open-minded and willing to learn something new. So adaptability is one skill you should grab and you stay relevant forever. The next skill we want to talk about is sales and persuasion. Now this is your ability to sell products, services, or even your ideas to people. And businesses are looking for individuals who have the ability to sell anything for them to maximize their profit. And of course, when they're making sales, they are being productive, they are happy, things are falling in place for them. So they are willing to pay anyone who has the ability to do this. And I must tell you, not everyone has the ability. It can also be learned. And you can learn this skill by going to HubSpot. There is YouTube tutorials on sales that you can learn about, and there is also some courses on Coursera that you can learn about when it comes to sales. So you have the ability to convince anyone on why they should buy a product or a service. And most times you use emotions and also logic to do this. So people that are very good at doing this earn around $50,000 to $200,000 a year by selling products and services to people that need them. So if it's something you're interested in, you might check out all the platforms I mentioned here to be able to learn this skill, and you can start making money by doing that. So because we are talking about money, the next skill you might want to consider is financial literacy. Now this is your ability to understand money management, budgeting, investment, and all those kind of stuff. So people that have this ability are able to save a lot of money, they're able to make a lot of money, they're able to direct businesses on how to use their money, and even themselves and other individuals who may want their services as their consultant. So if you have the ability to make maximum use of money, effective use of money, then you'll be well sought after. The benefit of learning this is that it will help you to stay out of debt, it will help you to manage your money, it will help you to save your money, and it will help you to make proper investments with the money you want to invest in. So that is why businesses are willing to hire somebody to help them with financial management. Now, to learn this skill, you can use YouTube. There are a lot of channels on YouTube that talk about finances. You can also go to Investopedia to learn about it, and there's Khan Academy that can teach you about financial literacy, so you can know where and how to get started. And there are a lot of earning potentials on this. Like, there are a lot of ways you can earn money once you are a financial expert. You can make content about it, teach people. You can be a consultant for businesses, and on the average, you can be earning anywhere from $200,000 to $300,000 a year being a financial manager. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check it out. So the next one we want to talk about is networking. Now, this may sound funny, but this is a rare skill that not everybody have. Now, this is your ability to build partnership, to make genuine friends, valuable friends that will help you at the long run. Now, not everybody can easily walk up to somebody to initiate conversation, or to make friends with them, or to partner with them. And that is why you have to learn this skill. Now, the benefit of learning this skill is that it can help you open doors of opportunity, and it can help you to get partnership and give you opportunities that money cannot buy for you. So that is why it is good for you to have the ability to initiate valuable relationship with people through networking. So if you want to learn how to do this, you can go to LinkedIn or Twitter or any of those social networks where you can easily meet people. And of course, you can train yourself using AI like ChatGPT to curate things that you can say at first while meeting people. You can further do this by going to events to meet and network with people that you have interest in, and that way you're creating your network and you're going to be having opportunities and doors open for you if you're able to do this well. So on the average, you can make a lot of money using this skill depending on what you are into. Because it's going to open doors for you, you can double your income by the time you have the ability to network with people. So that is why this skill is very, very relevant. So you might want to check it out as well. Now, we have other skills left for us to cover in this video, but before we go ahead with the other skills, if you're seeing value so far, please don't fail to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 6,000 subscribers. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us in one way or the other by sharing our video, commenting, and liking. And please let me know where you're watching from in the comment section, so I can easily make videos that are tailored to your location. And if you're looking to make applications very soon, job application, I have prepared a 12-for-1 job bundle that can allow you to prepare yourself from process of looking for job to process of preparing for interview. The best part is it has already made templates that you can easily customize that are 8 years friendly for each job role that you want to apply to. So you don't have to be using one resume or one cover letter to apply to every job you see. That way you will not stand the chance, but by the time you customize each job, then you can stand a better chance. So you might want to grab a copy with the link in the description of this video. So the next skill I want to talk about is time management. Now, people that have this skill have the ability to effectively prioritize their tasks. What it means is that they have time allocated to each task, and this will make them productive. And the benefit of learning this skill is that it will help you reduce stress. By the time you have your task allocated to each time, you work faster and you have better output as being productive. What it means is that if you have the ability to manage your time well, you know that for each day there is time allocated to each task. You will have better direction, and you will not have to waste your time and energy on things that are not necessary. That is why this skill is very important. So you can learn this skill by learning how to use Google Calendar, or you can go to YouTube. There are a lot of productivity channels that talk about time management that you can learn from. And once you have this ability, your productivity will be high, and you're going to be earning more money on whatever thing you're doing by the time you are focused and you have deadlines for everything that you want to achieve. That way you see yourself making better use of your time and making more money. The next skill I want to talk about is critical thinking. Critical thinking is something that's very valuable if you have the ability. What that means is that before you take any decision, you must have analyzed it logically to be able to come up with the best decisions to take. Now, this is very relevant because if you're going to be managing your time, managing yourself, managing other people, managing resources, or managing anything at all, because every individual has something they are managing, you will be more efficient if you have the ability to critically think. What it means is that whatever challenge you have the ability to sort it out in the most logical and effective way to give you the desired results you're looking for. And not everybody has this skill. So if you want to get this skill, you can go to places like Coursera to learn this skill, and there is EDS practice, and there are other case studies that you can study on YouTube to help you to learn critical thinking to be able to solve your problem. And if you have this ability to critically think about anything, your productivity will be high and you'll be making money in any business you find yourself doing. So if it's something you're interested in, consider checking out critical thinking. So the next skill we want to talk about is public speaking. Let me tell you a little story. Some few years ago, I attended an event where there were a lot of people speaking at that event. Now there is this speaker that came and was speaking. Everybody was sleepy and it was so boring that a lot of people felt like leaving that hall. But once that speaker finished, the next person that came aboard lit up the whole place, like everywhere was on fire. What it means is that that second person has public speaking ability, because it is your ability to engage with people with clear communication that they will understand. Make the communication fun, that they are into every process of whatever you're saying. They see themselves being immersed in your message and they understand you. They wouldn't even want you to leave. So this is a rare skill that not everybody has. The good thing or the benefit of learning this skill is that it will enable you to build authority and have leadership and influence over people. So that is the good thing about learning this skill. And you can learn how to do this by watching TEDx videos on people that are into public speaking, or you can check out YouTube. There are a lot of YouTube videos about public speaking that you can learn to start, with public speaking. You can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per talk. What it means is that if you're invited to come and say something in an event, they can pay you within that range. Well, and this may differ depending on your location, your level in public speaking, and the type of events that you're being invited to. So, but you can make money on the side if you have the ability to talk to people, connect with them, and make your communication clear. So you might want to check out public speaking. So the next skill we want to talk about is digital marketing. Now, this one is very, very important. Like every business needs a digital marketer, because have you experienced having to go to the market to see something, a physical product, and you feel like, oh, I don't need it. But while scrolling through your phone, you see the same thing and it enters your eyes and you be like, oh my God, I think I really need it. It's so beautiful. But that was the same product you saw physically. So that is the power of digital marketing. And there are a lot of people that are willing to pay anybody who has the ability to sell products and services online. And the benefit of doing this is the fact that it helps you grow your business or even spread the news about your service to a lot of people. By the time you keep posting on social media platforms, you're going to be reaching people even outside of your vicinity. So that is the importance and benefit of learning digital marketing. And on the average, you can be earning anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month doing digital marketing. And you can also incorporate other things like affiliate marketing to be able to make money on the side. And of course, there is content creation. So to learn this skill, you can go to YouTube. There are a lot of tutorials on digital marketing, or you can take the HubSpot Academy course on digital marketing, so you can know where to get started as a beginner. So you might want to check out digital marketing. So the last skill we want to talk about is learning how to learn. Now, this may sound funny, but this is a very serious skill, because it allows you to upskill. It allows you to let go of things that are no longer relevant, which not everybody has the ability to. A lot of people that are always holding on to the past knowledge they have when things have upgraded. So your ability to be open-minded, to learn new things, to add to the one you already know, is your superpower. And mastering this strategy is key to be able to learn a lot of things. Now, the benefit of this is that it allows you to learn things faster. It allows you to unlearn things. It allows you to follow the trend and industry standard. And you can learn how to learn anything you want to learn by taking up courses online. There are free courses on how to learn, and there are also videos on YouTube that will teach you how to learn, even learning faster. So you might want to check it out. And if you're able to know how to learn this, it means you can easily learn anything fast to develop yourself, to boost your productivity, and to increase your business and sales or whatever it is that you're into. That is the benefit of learning this skill. So you might want to consider learning how to learn something and mastering the strategy. And of course, you can make money if you're able to learn. You can teach others, and of course, you can show yourself online so that people will come and learn from you, which will also open windows of earning money on the side. So I hope this video helps you. Now, if you're looking for other remote jobs that you want to do, please check out this video, and please check out other videos on my channel. And if you learned something new, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel, and let me know where you're watching from in the comment section by typing your location. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.